Brett from Patio Pleasures here. I'm going to show you how you can drain the water on your Bullfrog Spa. We'll also cover Marquis Spas quick on this video as well. So this is a Bullfrog R series. Always make sure your power's turned off to the hot tub before draining. On any Bullfrog, on the lower right hand side, there's going to be a drain cap. Remove this cap. Looks like this. Take your garden hose, run it out in the yard wherever you want the water to go. You'll take this end of your garden hose, screw it on to the fitting inside, and give it a pull. It'll pull out about 3/4 of an inch, but that's a valve that'll activate the flow of water and your hot tub will drain. Draining the hot tub this way will take a little bit of time. It'll probably take a couple of hours because it's all gravity fed. If you're impatient like me, a nice option is the quick drain. Quick drain is a larger hose that you put over the side of the hot tub, bounce it in the tub a few times, and you'll start draining the hot tub off this black hose onto the ground wherever you want it. Advantage of the quick drain is you can also vacuum any debris out of the bottom of the hot tub with it. It'll pull out sand or any other debris that happens to get in, things that stick to your feet, stuff like that. So this way also works really well with the Marquis. If you want to know how to drain the water in the Marquis, check out our videos on how to remove the front panel of a Marquis Spa, and you'll see the drain inside right next to the pump. Concept is the same as the hose on this one here.